You are watching CHIZZY DELISH Kitchen. Keep watching. Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a yummicious, delicious grilled catfish. So stick with me, don't go anywhere. Let's dive into this video. So these are my ingredients for this recipe. So I have the carrot, the bell pepper, the red onions, the yellow, the green pepper. I have the ginger, the garlic, the plantain, and the onions. Of course, this is the catfish. So I've washed the fish behind the camera. So I'll go ahead and cut the fish so that the ingredients will penetrate inside it. Okay, so stick with me. Stay tuned. So after cutting the fish, I'll go ahead and cut all the bell peppers, the ginger, the garlic, the carrots. I'm gonna blend everything together. So there are so many things to use to marinate our fish or our beef, but these are the ones that I laid my hands on today. So feel free to add any other ingredients of your choice. So this is the consistency of my blended paste. So I will go ahead and add other ingredients. So this is vegetable seasoning. So I'll be adding salt. I'll be adding powdered oregano and normal oregano. So this is my curry powder. So this is mixed seasoning, is Italian seasoning. So I'll go ahead and put a little olive oil and I'll give it a nice stir and rub it around the fish. So while our fish is in the oven grilling, I'll go ahead and fry the plantain. At this point, our fish is ready. The fish is ready to be devoured. Oh my god, if you see the way we devoured this fish, if you see the way we ate this fish, it was so yummy, so delicious. So if you have watched to this point, thank you so much. And if you're watching my video for the very first time, you are highly welcome, and do consider subscribing on your way out. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much and keep watching CHIZZY DELISH Kitchen. Bye for now.